This is my reflection on assignment 2. My topic was designing authentic learning experiences through collaboration. 3 things that I learned from this assignment from looking at the rest of the group's assignments as well. The first one was how to improve the structure of an authentic learning experience. One of the research articles that I read talked about 10 different steps to go through to ensure a successful, authentic learning experience. And so some of those things included making sure you have an authentic question that is open-ended and cannot be Googled, to scaffold the tasks in order to maintain student interest, and to let students have some choice. What they start researching may not end up where they wanted to go, and they should be able to pursue their interests as the project evolves and unfolds in front of them. The second thing was that, and this is kind of was a no-brainer, but it was interesting to see in the research that collaboration improves student engagement and performance, even for those that are reluctant to participate. And so there was research from our group that showed that there are students that are participating in collaboration, but they may not necessarily carry their weight, and those students also benefit from the collaboration experience. They may not even be the lowest performer in the group, but they also get something from it. So it's important to remember sometimes that there may be students that are reluctant to participate, but they also are getting some benefit from the collaboration. And the third thing was that collaboration is an opportunity to teach social skills and digital citizenship. Yeah, as students are working through any kind of a collaborative, whether it be discussion or a group project or an assignment, whatever it may be, those are opportunities to teach social skills and digital citizenship to students. My 2 biggest takeaways, I'll start with number 2 here, which was to teach skills along the way. For students, a lot of kids are coming to school without probably the social skills that they had at one point in time. One of the people in our group showed through research that more and more students are lacking in some of the basic social skills that probably the non-technology generations grew up with. And so being able to teach kids skills, whether they be social skills or skills of analysis or whatever it may be along the way, but really especially those social skills and digital citizenship skills, those are things that we don't necessarily teach, and they're not really a part of a curriculum, but those are really good informal times to have those discussions with kids and point them in the right direction and have them reflect upon what it is that they're doing and the ways that they're interacting and presenting themselves and the ways they're treating other people through collaboration. My second takeaway, which is actually number 1 on this slide, is to design a variety of online collaboration experiences. When I went into the project, I was thinking that my focus was really on doing projects that were real-world, authentic, where kids are making a difference, maybe in the local community or worldwide, and communicating with people outside of our immediate community, or at least outside of our classroom. And after going through the research and reading the rest of the group's research, one of the things I took away was the importance of designing a variety of online collaboration experiences, whether those are online discussions or blogging, using social media, doing the authentic learning experiences, or just really as a variety of ways that you can do online collaboration, using some apps to do that. So there's a lot of options out there, and the variety of those gives kids the opportunity to stay motivated and engaged, I think, in class, but also to learn those skills that are important for them outside of the classroom. One of our teammates works in the real world as a teacher and talked about informal learning. And so a variety of online collaboration experiences really gives kids those opportunities to engage in that informal learning that's really important in the real world and workplace.